Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you this amazing deep conditioner that will make your hair not only look beautiful but feels beautiful. The texture of your hair will change tremendously, and all you need these two ingredients. So if you want to see exactly how I made this amazing deep conditioner, keep on watching. So our first ingredient is fresh aloe vera. So I'm using fresh aloe vera because it gives you all the benefits, all the nutrients, all the vitamins that aloe vera has that will help your hair grow and look good. So that's why I'm using the fresh one. So if you can get the fresh aloe vera and cut it in the pieces, that would be great. And our second ingredient is avocados. Guys, I'm telling you, avocado is a good product for good ingredient for your hair. And because avocado oil has a healthy fat that help nourish your hair. So it help restore hair with healthy fat and moisture. It makes your hair look healthy and resilient to any sort of damage. If you having breakage in your hair, if your hair is not growing, your hair is very thin, it's not thick, avocado oil is really great for you. It will restore your hair, and it's gonna resilient to any sort of damage. If heat damage, if you having you experiencing heat damage, use avocado to help restore your hair, to make it look beautiful and healthy again. So I'm using two avocados based on my son's hair. He has a lot of hair, and this is the best way I do on his hair. I don't use any kind of product. I use my own product. So you can see I chopped all the avocados, and now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. So when you blending it, you want to make sure you get very like smoothie consistency. You don't want it to be you don't want to see any pieces when you blending these two ingredients. So take your time, make sure you really blend it. You don't see any kind of pieces when you blending it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and blend it, and you can see what I'm talking about. So when we're blending it, we're not adding any sort of oil or water. Don't add water. So what I'm adding is avocado oil. You can add any kind of oil that you like into your hair. You can add olive oil. You can add argan oil. So any kind of oil that you like for your hair, go ahead and add it. But please do not add water. So once you add your oil, and now we're gonna go ahead and blend it. So while we're blending our mixture, our two ingredients, let me tell you also the benefit of aloe vera. The benefit of aloe vera. Aloe vera strengthens your hair, and aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It controls greasy hair, helps itchy scalp, protect from UV damage, because this is really, it's deep conditioner, so it's really going into your scalp and restore any sort of problem you have in your scalp. And that way, because they always said once you have a healthy scalp, the hair will look nice, the hair will look beautiful, and you're gonna have a healthy hair. So aloe vera goes and help uh to protect from UV damage and hair growth. It helps your hair to grow. Your hair will be very smooth. You're not gonna have problem to detangle your hair. You're not gonna need any product to detangle your hair once you use this deep conditioner. And the way I use it like once or twice a week. I'm telling you guys, it's amazing product. And now you can see that I got that smoothies is consistency I was looking for. And now we're gonna go ahead and strain it. You're not gonna use this product without straining it, because if you don't strain this product, you don't strain these two ingredients, you're gonna end up with a lot of pieces of avocados and aloe vera trust me, you're not gonna like it because it's not gonna be easy to remove it from your hair. So make sure you straighten it, and all those small pieces, trash it out, put it away. We're just gonna get that one. As you can see, we're just gonna get the one that we collect. So make sure, please, making sure to let you guys know, don't say that I didn't tell you. Yes, I'm telling you right now, you have to straighten it the way I'm doing it. Okay, make sure you do it. Very, very, very important. So these two ingredients really is gonna help you because aloe vera contain vitamin A, C, and E. All three of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. So it's really amazing. As you can see now, it's very smoothie. It's very soft, and I'm gonna go and add a little bit of oil, avocado oil, because I feel it's a little bit thick, so I just want it a little bit smoother, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more of oil. So it's really based on how you want, how the paste you want it, if you want it thicker or if you want it a little bit like you know, running. So not really running, but you know what I mean, the way, this is how I want it. So now you're gonna go ahead and use it to your hair. I, like I said, I mentioned earlier that this I'm making it for my son. So the school is starting soon and I'm running around to buy supplies for the kids, so I'm not gonna use it today. I'm definitely gonna use it tomorrow, Saturday, but I'm gonna store it in a fridge. I'm gonna store it in the fridge, and tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and use it. But usually I don't store it, I just make it and use it. So that's how I do it. I don't put it in the fridge, but this time I'm gonna do it for one day. It's not gonna do any harms at all. So that's all you see. Now we having our deep conditioner, natural, with no chemical, very good for you. So if you like this video, please share with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it will help me tremendously, and I hope to see you guys next time. Please, please, please share, like this video, and leave me comment if you have any question, anything, in any suggestion. Go ahead, leave it in a comment section. I'll be more than happy to read and respond it to you. Once again, thank you so much. I love you very much. I'm doing this for you guys. Without you, I cannot be doing this. So again, thanks for supporting me, and I'll see you next time with my new video. I love you so much. Bye bye.